Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some real cool tricks and tips on how to improve your memory. So let's quickly dive into the topic. So have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there? Or maybe you are struggling to remember important information for a test or presentation. Well, don't worry. You are not alone. We are there to support you. Life transformation. Please subscribe our channel for more amazing content like this. Okay. Our brains are constantly bombarded with information. We put a lot of information inside our brain, which can make it difficult to remember everything in our day-to-day. But did you know that there are some simple ways to boost your memory and retain information better? Let's dive into them immediately. Practice mindfulness. Tip number 1. The first thing you can do is practice mindfulness. This means being fully present in the moment and paying attention to your surroundings. By doing this, you are training your mind to focus and retaining information in a better way. And now I'll explain what is this, how to do this. Follow the simple guidelines to begin with mindfulness. Start with a short meditation session. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Consistency is more important than the length of your sessions. Focus on your breath is very important element. Pay attention to your breath as it goes in and out. Notice the sensation of each breath, the rise and the fall of your abdomen of the chest, and the feelings of the air entering and leaving your body. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the breath. It happens when we are sitting for this meditation. Sometimes we go into the jungle. When you got the awareness that you are somewhere outside, not on that focused where you want to sit down, slowly, don't criticize yourself that you have gone to that state, and slowly come back to the same way and bring back your attention to the breath. Simple as clear. You can use these apps to improve your mindfulness practices also. There are many apps, generally not advisable to people who are already used a lot of apps. But these apps can help you find your focus and cultivate mindfulness. These are the few 3 apps where we have got with highest downloads. Headspace is one of the best app. Calm is another app. Insight Timer is also one of the app. So along with that, mindfulness, another important thing is sleep. You need to sleep enough. The second tip is to get enough sleep. Your brain needs time to rest and recharge in order to function at its best. So make sure you're going at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. Temperature in the room. If the room is cool and your body slips into the sleep faster than the hotter room. Blue light exposure. Avoid using laptop, phone or TV or any other source of blue light 1 hour before going to sleep. Food. Eat light food for dinner, which helps in faster digestion and optimal sleep. If the food is heavy, most of the brain resources and energy is dedicated to digestion, which begins a lot of problem later. If you're finding these tips are helpful, make sure you hit this subscribe button below. I post new videos every week on this topic. So if you don't want to miss it out, do it immediately.